What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Never by XXXTentacion. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So this song is Bananas. It's in standard tuning and you're gonna capo up to the 4th fret. The easiest way to play this is with 4 different chords. If you need these diagrams, they will be in the description below in a free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need them, jump into the description when you get done with the video and go get your free ebook. You're gonna start with an A minor. It's 002210. C major, 032010. F major, and I play it with my thumb on the low E on the 1, and it's 1 3 3 2 1, and then I kind of just mute the high E string. And then G major, 3 2 0 0 0 3. Now once you have the chords down, all they do really, I mean, you can kind of do whatever you want with this. All these XXX songs like this and like the little peep songs like this they do so much weird stuff, and there's not really any like technical guitar in them. So like if you want to pick through these, you can. When the piano comes in, I'll show you what they're doing there. They're just simple down strumming throughout all the chords. It looks like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now finally at the end of the song, it's around the, I think it's 2 minutes and 27 seconds mark. It switches. It's just gonna be F and A minor, and those just kind of go back and forth, and like it's very much so just like a pad that just kind of alternates. So it's hard for me to give you any like picking or strumming pattern, but you can just kind of slowly feel through it and see, and you can hear where it changes. But from 2:27 to the end of the song, it's just F major and A minor. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.